In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Perplexity, AI slow responses, and search timeouts. When Perplexity feels sluggish or your searches time out, the goal is to quickly figure out whether the slowdown is on the service's side or something you can fix locally. We'll move from the most common external causes to simple tweaks on your device. First, verify the server status. Open a new browser tab and go to status.perplexity.ai. This page shows real-time information about outages, degraded performance, and high load. If you see active incidents or maintenance, that's almost certainly the cause. In those cases, the best fix is patience. Most server-side issues clear up within 30 to 60 minutes. If everything looks healthy, continue with the next checks. Next, test your internet connection. Visit speedtest.net and run a quick test. You want a download speed of at least 10 megabits per second and a ping under 100 milliseconds. If your speeds are lower or your latency is high, Perplexity can feel slow even when the servers are fine. Try switching networks to compare. If you're on Wi-Fi, toggle to mobile data and run a simple Perplexity query. If you're on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi and test again. A noticeable difference points to a network issue you can address with your provider or router later. Also, temporarily disable any VPN or proxy. These services often route your traffic through distant servers, adding latency and sometimes triggering timeouts. Disconnect, refresh the page, and try the same query again. Finally, refresh your browser or app environment. Do a hard refresh to bypass cached files. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus F5. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R together. Avoid using the standard F5 because it may reuse cached assets. Close other tabs and background apps to free up RAM and CPU. Heavy tabs and resource-hungry tools can starve your browser and slow requests. Then open Perplexity in an incognito or private window. This runs without your usual extensions and avoids stale cache data, which helps isolate extension or profile issues. Sign in if you need to, and test a simple prompt. By checking server status, confirming a solid connection, and refreshing your browsing environment, you'll quickly narrow down the cause of slow responses and timeouts and get back to fast, reliable searches.